Every time you send an email, stream a show, or save a file to the cloud, that data has to go somewhere.
That somewhere is a data center. Vast buildings packed with thousands of servers, running non-stop, day and night. Each server is like a powerful computer, storing files and handling requests from people all over the world. All those machines generate massive heat and use a huge amount of electricity, so data centers need dedicated cooling and power. To stay reliable, data centers use multiple cables and backups. If one line fails, traffic takes another path. The next time you hit send, remember, your data just made an entire invisible city of computers spring into action.